Took a left when others went right.
Congratulations and best wishes!
Welcome to the club, and we wish you happiness and blessings. It's a lifetime experience for being married. Congratulations.
Siguro hindi ko malilimutan sa kanya is yung pagiging siya. Pagiging totoo niya.
And I finally found my home. This is where I belong. No wrong way to be. Paved with little moments that mean everything to me. I wandered far and wide, but now I see the perfect place for me was always meant to be.
I promise na tatawanan ko yung mga jokes mo. Even kapag kailangan ko pang ipaliwanag sa sarili ko kung bakit nakakatawa.
Every step that felt uncertain let my
Kasi we're almost 13 years na. And lahat ng mga happy memories, ganyan. Lahat ng mga gusto namin, parehas kami, nag-a-align kami.
belong. No wrong way to be.
Excited. Feeling ko excited talaga. Matagal hinintay to 13 years. So, kailangan na excited tayo.
But now I see the perfect place for me was always meant to be.
Thank you.
Where
Thank
I
you so
belong.
much. Mark, my darling. After 13 long years of being together, today is finally the day we've been praying, waiting for.
My darling, today I feel so lucky because I get to marry my best friend, my partner, and the love of my life. Salamat sa pagmamahal, sa pagintindi, at sa pagiging ikaw.
Thank you for being my best friend, my partner, and my safe place through all these years. Thank you for loving me patiently, for supporting my dreams, and for choosing me every single day.
I will stay with you tonight
Ayan na oh.
by your side.
Kasi siya eh. I think parang walang reason na bakit siya. Kumbaga, iniisip ko na lang, binigay siya ng Diyos sa akin.
Hold on to me.
Thank you po. Salamat po. Mother at saka father ko. Namimiss ko yung mga lambing nila, yung mga pangaral nila, yung luto ni Mama.
So stay close to me.
Dad, Ma, I'll promise na magiging mabuti akong lalong tao, may respeto sa kapwa, faithful sa aking asawa, and mapagmahal sa aking asawa.
Oh, I'm never gonna let you go. Oh, I wanna hold on to this feeling that I'm feeling, and I can't believe that your love has come to me.
Ano, Iiyak ba ako, Chi?
Hold on to. I'm gonna hold on to you.
Through all the good times and challenging times, I will choose you again and again. Ikaw ang pahinga ko, ang saya ko, at ang taong gusto kong makasama habang
Hi!
Cause I know that I found forever in the love that we have. And all I see, and all that I did.
I am excited to continue this journey with you as your wife. I will continue choosing you every single day for the rest of my life.
Never gonna let you go.
Mama, Daddy, thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices and always remember na nandito pa rin ako para sa inyo. Yan, I love you.
Love you too.
mahal na mahal kita at excited na ako simulan ng bagong chapter ng buhay natin bilang mag-asawa.
Never gonna let you go. Wanna hold on to this feeling that I'm feeling, and I can't believe that your love has come to me. If ever I'll hold on to you.
I love you so much, my husband. Love your wife.
I love you and I always choose you. I love you, my darling, my wife.